Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. We are
Waalaikumsalam.
from group 10. Today we will presentation our ISAS. The title ISAS is Understanding and Mitigating SQL Injection. Okay. Next. So before we continue to the next page, let us introduce ourselves. My name Ahmad Abiy Afla.
My name Muhammad Fadliansah.
Okay. We next to the first slide. Penetration testing. Penetration testing is commonly known as pen testing. Is a process of simulating cyber attack on a system, network, or application to identify and evaluate potential security vulnerabilities. Pen testing is conducted by penetration tester or pen tester, using various techniques and tools to detect weaknesses before they can be exploited by authorized attackers.
And next, the second page, SQL, Structured Query Language. SQL stands for Structured Query Language. Will the definition of SQL is a language used to access data in relational database. SQL is often also referred to as a query, and the SQL language is practically used as a standard language for relational database management.
Okay, the next page is web application penetration testing with SQL injection. With the increased number of web application, security has become a major concern. One of the most common security threats is SQL injection, where attackers manipulate database queries through user input fields. This allows unauthorized access, modification, or even deletion of sensitive data. Okay.
The next, web application.
Fadliansah.
You. And the next, web application penetration testing with SQL injection. And number one, tools and application used to conduct SQL injection penetration testing. The following tools are commonly used: Kali Linux, POPs, ZIP, SQL Map, Burp Suite.
Okay, next page is penetration testing step. The first step is information gather. The point is port scanning using Nmap to identify open surface, and technology identification using web or webalizer to detect the web server, programming language, and framework. The last point is capturing HTTP requests using burp site or OWASP to analyze web application behavior. Number two, identifying SQL injection vulnerabilities. The first point is identify input fields that can be manipulated, such as second point is entering special character like or into input fields to check for SQL errors. The last point is if an error appears, the application is likely vulnerable to SQL injection.
Next page, application penetration testing with SQL injection. Number two, penetration testing steps. And number 3, exploitation SQL injection vulnerabilities. One, and manual SQL injection testing. A second point, automate SQL injection testing. Number 4, post exploitation and impact analysis. After successfully exploiting SQL injection, further analysis is conducted to determine the severity of the vulnerability. Attackers might gain unauthorized access to sensitive data, modify or delete records, and escalate privilege to obtain administrative control.
Okay, next page is impact of SQL injection on web application. SQL injection is one of the biggest threats of security of web application that rely on database. This attack occurs when an attacker inject malicious SQL command into web application to gain unauthorized access to database, steal sensitive data, or even modify system data. The impact from SQL injection on web application, the first point is the death of sensitive data. SQL injection allows attacker to gain access to database and steal critical information such as user credential, login details, credit card, and transaction records. Next is second point is data manipulate and modification. Attackers can exploit SQL injection to alter and or delete data within the database, which can severely impact data integrity in critical applications such as academy system, financial system, and e-commerce. The third point is account takeover. By exploiting SQL injection, attackers can gain administration access to the system that allows to change user passwords, create new account with high privilege, or even take full control of web application. The last point is denial of service or DOS attack and data deletion. In some access, SQL injection can be used to delete entire database, leading to website downtime and disrupting business operation. Okay, can we next page?
Okay, the next page, the SQL injection mitigation strategies for web application. To mitigate SQL injection attacks, various security measures must be implemented to protect web application from unauthorized access and data breaches. Based on research findings, applying best security practices and preventive techniques can significantly reduce vulnerabilities to SQL injection. Number 1, use of preferred statement and parameterized queries. Second point, input validation and sanitization. Number 3, principle of least privilege. Number 4, web application firewall, WAF. WIF. Number 5, error handling and logging. Number 6, regular security testing and code audits.
Okay, this page talk about advantages. The first advantages is effectively detect vulnerabilities. This penetration testing method successfully identified that 18% of the test websites were vulnerable to SQL injection attack. Help improve security. That test result can be used as recommendation to enhance web application security. The last is use proven method. The technique applied are based on open web application security project or can resolve OWASP standard and tools like Metasploit and Hydra.
The next disadvantage, number one, limited to SQL injection. While SQL injection is a significant attack vector, other threats like XSS, CSRF, and LFI could be explored further. And number two, vulnerable to technological change, the method used might become less effective as a web security system continue to evolve. And number three, not all websites are exploitable. Out of 10 tested websites, 2 were found to have adequate protection, indicating that some systems already have sufficient security.
Okay, the conclusion from the exercise is the penetration testing of web application, particularly focusing on the SQL injection vulnerabilities, reveals critical insight into the security landscape. SQL injection remains one of the most prevalent threats, compromising sensitive data and application integrity. The study underscores the importance of identifying vulnerabilities through penetration testing to prevent unauthorized access, data manipulation, and other potential attacks.
And last page, suggestion to mitigate SQL injection risks, web application developers and administrators are encouraged to implement the following strategies. And number one, use a prepared statement and parameterize queries, ensure that user input are treated as data and not executable command. And number two, implement strong input validation, accept only valid and expected input to prevent malicious data from being executed. And number three, enforce least privilege and restrict database access to only what is the necessary for its user to limit potential damage from exploitation. Thank you for attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.